How to add or change phone number in Yahoo Mail app. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to add or change your phone number in the Yahoo Mail app. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The first thing you need to do is open up your Yahoo Mail, or if you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it on Google Play Store or App Store. Once you open it up, you just want to tap on your profile icon on the top left corner, and you'll find different options here. Either you can tap on Manage Accounts or tap on Settings. If you find Settings here, you will find Manage Accounts, so just tap on it. Then once you get to Manage Accounts, tap on Account Info, and here it will show you your account information. You just want to head over to the Security tab, verify with your pattern or fingerprint, and once you get to your security account, scroll down a bit until you see your recovery emails and recovery phone number. So here I have an option to add recovery phone number because I have not added it yet. But if you have already added your phone number, you can tap on add, select your country code from here, add your phone number and tap on next. And it will send you a verification code on your phone number. Just enter that and it should be added. Or if you want to change it, you can do the same thing. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next